In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dented can mockup using Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're a graphic designer or just dabbling in the world of digital art, mastering mockups can help showcase your designs in a professional manner. Let's get started. First things first, let's open Adobe Photoshop and prepare our workspace. If you want to resize your images while keeping the quality intact, the image size dialog is your go-to tool. It allows you to adjust dimensions without losing resolution. Remember, maintaining image sharpness is crucial for a realistic mockup, so this step sets the foundation for everything that follows. Once you're ready, let's move on to adding your can image. Position your can image in the workspace to have a reference point for your design. Working with high-resolution images is ideal here, as it will give you better detail and flexibility when you start making edits. The next step is converting your can image into a smart object. Right-click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. By doing this, you can resize the can without permanently altering the pixels, which ensures the quality remains high even after multiple modifications. After the can is a smart object, open it by double-clicking on the thumbnail in the Layers panel. Doing so opens the smart object in a new tab, essentially treating it as a separate editable document. This is where we'll apply our design elements. Now use the selection tools to select the can. The magic wand or quick selection tool can be handy here, helping you quickly cover areas of similar color or texture. Take your time to refine the selection. Accurate selection yields a more credible final result. With the can selected, apply a solid color layer to set a base color for your background. This step establishes contrast, ensuring that the main design stands out against the mockup structure. It's important to choose a color that complements the design you're intending to showcase. Now drop in your design onto the can, drag and drop your artwork onto the smart object, resizing and positioning it to fit the contours of the can perfectly. Utilize transformations like skew and perspective to align the design with the can's shape for a natural appearance. Once your design is in place, create a clipping mask. Right-click on your design layer and choose Create Clipping Mask to ensure your graphics only cover the can area. To enhance realism, add a new solid color layer and set the blending mode to Color Burn. This technique adds depth and texture to your design, mimicking the play of light and shadow on a real can. Finally, save your smart object by pressing Ctrl+S and return to the main document to see how everything ties together in the completed mockup. You should now have a convincing depiction of your design on a can. Practice these steps and you'll be crafting stunning mockups in no time.